Hi guys, let me show you how ship is being loaded with oil on VLCC. VLCC is basically an oil tanker. As you can see, the ship is berthed next to my ship. These are loading arms. I will show you closely. Yes, this loading arm are connected to the vessel's manifold. This loading arm pipelines, as you can see, is going toward the storage tank on the shore side. Let me show you how these lines are. It's coming from the ship. You can see from loading arm towards the shore side. I will show you exactly how it's going. As you can see, it's going from the ship completely coming back and forward. These are the storage tank basically. So it's connected to this storage tank. From there it is pumped to the ship. So this is a loading arm basically, which is hydraulically operated, and here is the manifold. These manifolds are connected to the ship manifold hydraulically. Once the ship is properly berthed and moved alongside, then we can go ahead with the connection of the loading arms. As you can see, the mooring ropes in the forward, it is already stretched and tied and secured properly. Once ship is properly secured, then we go ahead with the sharing of the loading plans. Chief officer is responsible for sharing a loading plan with the surveyors. Once surveyors are on board, they will carry out the sounding of each and every tank. Then alleged report is generated. When both the parties, ship side as well as the shore side surveyor, is satisfied with the report, we go ahead with the loading. So these are the pipeline which is coming from the manifold and going to the tanks. Underneath the deck there is approximately 17 tanks which will be carrying around 2 million barrels of the oil. So initially when loading is started, we start with the slow rate in order to ensure that there are no leakages on the pipeline. One of the watchmen will check all the pipelines on the deck as well as in the pump room. Once everything is confirmed that there are no leaks, then we will request the shore terminal to increase the loading rate to maximum. Normally we are asking loading rate approximately from 17,000 barrel to 100,000 barrel per hour. It depends upon the shore terminal how much they can supply. Generally it takes 36 hours to load a VLCC, but also it depends upon the loading rate and shore terminal how long it will take. But general idea I am giving that it will take 36 hours. Although we took around 48 hours to load the ship. During end of the loading, we reduce the loading rate again to minimum to ensure that topping up of the tanks are in order. Once we finish the loading, we carry out the alleged report, and then we will know exactly how much amount of oil has been loaded. Once both parties are satisfied with the amount of cargo being loaded on the ship, the documents are signed between the two parties and exchanged. Then we will disconnect the loading arm. At the same time, engine being is prepared by the engineers for unberthing operation. Follow me for more insight about the ship operation. Do like and subscribe. Thank you.